in Google, type wordpress.org. Press enter from the keyboard. It is the WordPress website interface. So here some option. Today we will discuss about plugin. So click on plugin. Today we will discuss about page builder plugin. So here showing some features plugin. Number 1, classic editor. It is the most popular plugin in WordPress for page builder. We can see active installation 5 plus million. This plugin tested with 5.8.1 and their 5-star rating is so high. They have good review also. It is developed by WordPress contributors. Now number 2, Gutenberg. Gutenberg also WordPress company's page builder plugin. So now it is the number 1 plugin in the world, Elementor page builder. For WordPress website, Elementor is number 1 in the world. It has a lot of installation. Here showing 5 plus million, but actually it has more active installation. Tested with 5.1.8. Our number 4 plugin name is Page Builder by SiteOrigin. Just I am typing the plugin name and press enter from the keyboard. Here you can see result. This our plugin not showing here. It is not a problem. If not showing here, go to the Google, type the plugin name. Our plugin name is Page Builder by SiteOrigin. Then press enter from your keyboard. Here also we can see a lot of options showing, but our desired plugin not showing. We want to see it from the wordpress.org. So if I scroll down below, you can see Page Builder by SiteOrigin. Okay, just scroll down the page. Here also showing Page Builder by SiteOrigin from their official website, but we want to download it or review it from wordpress.org. That's why we are searching the wordpress.org website. Here it is. You can see Page Builder by SiteOrigin in wordpress.org website. So click here. It is Page Builder website by SiteOrigin, developed by SiteOrigin. They are 2.13.2 version already released. Be careful about the developed by who developed this. Developed by SiteOrigin. Here there are some basic information about this plugin version, last update, active installation 1 million. So huge users, 1 million website trust this plugin. So it is one of the most popular plugin and tested with 5.8.1 and PHP required 5. You can see it and you can translate it modern, and also you can see their rating. They have 5-star and their review also very well. If you want to help from their developer, just click on support forum, and if it is a open source software, you can also donate this software. It is their CiteOrigin official website. Here you can see their interface. Today we will discuss about some their price. In the September month they provide 30% discount. If you want to buy it, just put the description below, go through the link, you will get the 30% discount. So their regular price, you can see their regular price, their extension. In this page builder you can use third party extension also, third party plugin, and any other plugin. They are showing get the complete experience with CiteOrigin Premium. If you buy the premium, then you will get all their facilities, and they have lot of facilities. Just scroll down and read it one by one, and it is popular, one of the most popular page builder plugin for WordPress. By the way, they have other CMS page builder also. It is not our topic. So guys, if you like our video, just like our video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.